Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking the garment care label for washing restrictions or dry clean only. Test any solvent on a hidden seam before proceeding with treatment. Remove excess sticker pieces carefully with a dull knife or credit card at a shallow angle. Freeze stubborn adhesive with ice for about 1 minute to harden residue. Brush or scrape gently after freezing to lift more residue. Gather rubbing alcohol, dish soap, white vinegar, and an adhesive remover like Goo Gone for possible use. Work on a protected surface to avoid stains. Place the garment on a flat protected surface and blot the residue with a dry cloth first. Saturate a clean cloth with rubbing alcohol and press it against the adhesive to loosen it. Blot the area repeatedly. Do not rub harshly to avoid fabric damage. Mix 1 tablespoon dish soap with 1 cup warm water and gently sponge the spot after alcohol treatment. For persistent residue, apply a small amount of adhesive remover for 2 to 5 minutes, then blot. Repeat treatments and air dry to check progress between attempts. After the adhesive appears removed, launder the garment according to its care label instructions. For machine-safe fabrics, wash normally using your regular detergent and the warmest allowed temperature. For delicate or dry clean only fabrics, hand wash gently or take the item to a professional cleaner instead. Avoid using a dryer or applying heat until you are sure all residue is gone to prevent setting the adhesive permanently. If a stain remains, repeat solvent and soap steps before drying. Store treated garments separately until they are fully clean and odor-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.